Hey friends, how's it going out there? I'm Sadi from Shy Hair Studio. I am the owner of the salon and I am coming to you today because I wanted to introduce to you a little something I am helping clients get through with this whole lockdown quarantine situation. So I have decided to create a system at home that you're able to take with you from the salon to your house, and it's a DIY home coloring system. So the way this system works is it is a home system that's going to either allow you to use your permanent color or a toner color for a pretty low cost, just to be able to maintain your hair during this crazy season of lockdown mode. And so I wanted to kind of create a small little video just to show you how you would be able to do this at home and just be able to get you by until you come back into the salon after this is all over. So I created a little kit and I'm going to show you kind of what comes in the kit. So it's going to come in a little Moroccan oil bag like this because our product line that we carry here primarily is Moroccan oil. And in the Moroccan oil bag, you're going to get an instruction, a little sheet that looks like this. This has all of the steps, everything that comes in the actual kit as well, and then be able to go ahead and utilize all the goodies that are in here to be able to create this at-home effect. So we'll take this guy and drop it off to the side. So what you're going to get in this little kit to start off with this whole process is going to be a little Ziploc bag just to remove all air out of our dye defender. This will actually remove any sort of staining that happens around the hairline or on the scalp. And I'll show you how to use all of these items as well too. You're obviously going to get a color brush. You're going to get a towel that you can either place around your neck or you can use it to kind of wipe around however you prefer. And then you're going to be receiving a detangling comb from Moroccan Oil. You're also going to have a pair of gloves. So you'll have two of those. You'll get a nice little sectioning clip. You'll get a bowl with your color formula or your toner. You're going to get a Ziploc bag, which I know is not the most classy looking, but we want to make sure that none of our developer is going to be oxidizing before it gets to your home, especially because this is going to be a contact-less situation. So I'm going to be dropping this off to all of you, just, delivered from me to you, and it's going to be at your doorstep. So we want to make sure that there's no oxidation happening with our oxidative color. And then I'm also going to provide for you a post-color shampoo and a post-color mask. So this actually is really, really amazing because it's literally like you're getting this done at your home, but it's going to be able to be, it's salon life into the home life essentially. All right, so I'll show you guys how to create this lovely effect. So in order to create this, a nice couple little tips and tricks I'll let you take home with you. You'll take your dye defender and you'll literally take it and place it right around the hairline. Nice and quick, you don't have to take too long. This can be like one of the first steps that you do. You can also then put on all of your gloves and your goodies. I'll skip it. I'm actually just gonna be using two different conditioners and mixing them together to kind of show you the effect of what it's like. So I have two bowls here, and what you're going to do is you're going to mix your color, your developer with your color. So essentially you'll pre-mix all of this together, stir it up nice and warm. And you'll want to stir this for about 45 seconds to 1 minute. You really want to see a smooth consistency, almost to like the consistency of like a cream cheese or like a peanut butter type consistency. You do not want to see any lumps, my friends. That is not going to be fully mixed color. You'll have spots that are going to oxidize and some that won't. It's not going to be a fun experience. Okay, so without using any gloves and to make this nice and quick, you'll just take your color, dab it in, wipe it off the excess on the side of the bowl. That way you'll have a nice clean back and then you'll have one side to work with. Always part your hair wherever you part your hair normally. And then when you do so, go ahead and apply your color on your hair part first. That's my favorite. Usually that's gonna be the hardest area when it comes to grays, as well as going ahead and lifting up your hair and then literally coloring right around the hairline. And make sure you get those pesky sideburns. We know they're super stubborn. Place all of that right there. And then when that's all said and done, you can definitely go ahead and color your hair in the back. This again is just trying to get you by into the meantime of what's going on now. So what we're going to do is section off a piece of hair. You'll flip it over to the opposite direction. Go ahead and grab your color and you'll place it right on there. And then you'll literally work all the way around until you get to the side of your head here. And then you'll do the same thing on the other side. And then you'll let that process for 30 minutes. You can definitely utilize your clip if you'd like to clip everything away. That also will be a nice help for you as well too. And that's pretty much it, friends. It's pretty simple stuff. Just like you know what it's like when you get your hair colored in the salon as well too. We are oxidizing for 30 minutes maximum. That is it. If you're getting a toner to use for replacement in your hair, 5 minutes maximum. That you want to shampoo your hair, use our post-color shampoo, get it nice and damp, and then place your toner on when it's wet, and then you can go from roots to ends with that one. It's not going to affect any color it's not going to affect any hair that's not previously colored. So just make sure that you go ahead and get that all nice and saturated. It sits for 5 minutes maximum. That is it. And then you rinse it right out, use your color protecting mask, rinse that out, style, and then you're all good to go. If you have any questions, definitely feel free to contact us at shyhairstudio@gmail.com or send us a message through our phone number. You can text it, and hopefully we can definitely get you guys nice and suited up for the rest of this lockdown season. Again, questions, let us know. We hope that you're being safe. We hope that you're being healthy. Hey friends, just wanted to also add that after you are all set with all the goodies, you'll just take your color bowl, your brush, and then you'll take your vials that have the shampoo and the conditioner in, and then your clip and your detangling comb, put them all in the bag, put them right back outside, and then I will come and collect it whenever you're ready. And that's it. It's super, super simple. Hopefully this will be really, really easy for you all to achieve at home. Again, questions, feel free to let us know. Thank you all so much. Have a good one.